What does it mean if I say you're woke?
You're like active about stuff. You're knowledgeable in modern issues.
Really use it to like have an understanding of like things, like to be aware of situations and to be informed.
Woke means like you've opened your third eye to something. You seek more knowledge or you understand more knowledge than what you're supposed to.
Woke means to be aware of something you didn't know.